talking to the kids, like they can tell me all the different plants they see around them. They can tell me how close the nearest waterfall is, or why there's a waterfall now and not 2 months from now in summer when the snow runoff has dried up. So they can talk through the environment and what they're learning from it. They can tell me, like, that's a juniper tree, and if you burn the berries, it turns into ashes that are really healthy for you. They might not be able to say, like, it's because they're rich in calcium and there's a history of lactose intolerance within our tribe, so that's why we eat them. But they can say, these are really healthy for me, and I know how to make them. And so I think that's been really cool, and I think it's important for me as a future science teacher to know that even if kids don't have the academic language to describe the science, if they can describe the way the world works around them, like, that is really valuable science learning as well.
Miss Emerson in kindergarten, she really takes the time to like do a circle time, and she starts with music and really getting them to like become familiar with the stuff they're learning first before just like drilling it in. So I noticed, like, I feel like I'll just learn to take time with what I'm doing and take the time to like actually let them enjoy what they're learning, instead of just like, you need to get this done, you need to get this done. So kind of just like the patience and slowing down the process.
It makes me think, as a teacher, like, you know, whether or not a student has had the resources or the teaching or the parents and the family structure to succeed, right? You know, in the past, they still have that potential in the future. And I think there's something to dig out of every single student.